Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and Edge browser. This sync lets you stack console and PC activities. Once done, enable Microsoft Rewards on the Xbox dashboard and join the program. Now start with 1 to 2 quick daily quests, searches, check-ins, or short quizzes, because early wins unlock streak bonuses. Make sure to claim any time-limited offers. They pay out fast and compound with your search points, giving momentum on day 1. You now focus on stacking high-yield activities to accelerate points. First, run PC searches in Edge while signed into Rewards. These consistently deliver 150 to 300 points per day and are automatic when you search. Next, complete Xbox console quests and Game Pass quests. These offer larger, predictable bonuses tied to gameplay and time played. Also, install the mobile app and Rewards extension to capture quick micro-tasks and surveys. You finish by converting accumulated points into the reward you want. Redeem gift cards as soon as you reach the target to lock value and avoid point decay. Once redeemed, cycle between high-value offers and daily tasks so earning remains steady without bursts. If points don't register, first sign out and back in on both devices, clear browser cache, and retry the activity. If that fails, reach Microsoft support with timestamps. This troubleshooting keeps your earning pipeline uninterrupted and preserves momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.